Hello there, Taurus. Welcome back to the channel. This is the Lady of the Throne, and I am here today with your July 1st through the 15th love guidance. So this is for those of you who are interested in someone. This is for the Taurians who have a love interest. And this is going to be your spiritual guidance. This is the place to be, Taurus. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button before you go, because I'm sure that you guys won't want to miss any new messages about your love life and your general overall guidance for your life. So Taurus, I'm glad that you decided to click on this video. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button or drop a comment down below as well. I offer extended versions, extended videos that you have exclusive access to, where you can watch these videos as often as you want. If you want to go deeper and find out more information about what's going on in this particular situation, I do recommend getting the extended version of this reading. The link for that will be down below in the description box, so check that out if you're interested in more. In this video, we're going to be looking at two aspects of a love connection: how you and your person of interest feels, and how you both see each other in the connection. In the extended, we are going to go deeper. I will uncover some secrets and also tell you guys what to do in order to move something forward or make something work, how you should be thinking, how you should be seeing things, and what to consider. So check out the extended if you're interested. Now, Taurus, let's go ahead and get started. Let's talk about July 1st through the 15th. So how do you feel about your love interest? Taurus, I pick up that you guys are feeling like your current life right now, you're living a lie. You're living a lie. That's how you feel. Like lies, 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 lies. And it could be hard to keep up with the lies for some of you. I do get a sense that most of these messages are going to be for a Taurus male about a female, but it can be feminine energy too. So if I say he a lot, or I refer to masculine energy, ladies, if you're listening, flip it and make it resonate for yourself if it does resonate. But this is, I do strongly feel like this time is speaking more to Taurus males. So some of you may feel that you're living a lie right now and that your feelings are not adding up to your reality. What's happening around you is not the same as how you feel on the inside about a connection, about a particular person. You could have been lying to yourself about a connection or a person, or lying to others even about something, but you know deep down inside of your heart that is exactly the opposite, that you don't feel what you say to these people or even to this person about them. So you could be telling a group of people or someone particularly that you and someone are not connected, or that you're not wanting to be with them, or that maybe you're lying and saying that you don't know this person or things like that. But in your heart, you are always connected to them. You do love them and you do want to be with them. So it can be something about your lies catching up to you. All right. And I feel like you guys are trying to gain a more fresh perspective on life overall. And you're tired of making excuses for things or to yourself about what's going on with your feelings and emotions. It's like you have been trying to keep up with a particular lie that you've been telling for a long time, even if it's to yourself, but you can't deny how you really do feel about someone. So I don't get a sense that you're regretting too much, but I do get a sense that you do want things to work out and get better between you and this person. You're realizing what could be changed and you're starting there. So what needs to be changed, and you're just going to start rolling with the changes. You're going to start making those changes so that you can get on a more positive side of things when it comes to a connection. Others around you may not be open to change, but you're letting people be who they are without trying to change their mind, without needing their opinions. And so however people feel or felt about things happening in your love life, you're just like, I don't really care what people think. I can't change them. I can't make them see this person in a different way. I can't change how they view this person, but what I can change is what I do. What I can change is how I communicate and respond to them. So you're only going to change you in the situation, not caring about what your friends or family thinks about your love life or this particular person who you really want to be with. You're not lying to people anymore about your feelings to put a smile on their face, or not even that, but you're not lying to them anymore to try to make yourself look like a good person in front of people. You're being honest now and saying how you feel. So right now, I feel like you could be worried about a love opportunity with this person because of what you had to do to hide this connection. So now that you're tired of hiding the connection, you're like, okay, I wonder if things are still going to work out with this person, and I'm going to start like really opening up and really expressing myself. But I hope that it works out though. I hope that this person is still available. It's like you're realizing how much and how far you have gone to keep up with something that you were lying to yourself about the whole time. So now you're focused on trying to maintain a strong and solid connection with someone that you do actually love. So, wow, the denial was there for real. And now you're like, I can't keep doing this. So how does this make this person feel, and what are they feeling right now? This love interest is feeling worn out and finding it very difficult to resist other temptations that are there now. Because during the next 2 weeks, this person may have an increase in people interested in them. They may have more people that want to date them. You may hear through the grapevine that people are interested in them, or people like them or want to be with them, or would rather take them from you. And it's happening in this way, Taurus, because people are feeling like, well, what did the Taurus do? And what did the Taurus not do? And how could the Taurus do or not do whatever it is that the Taurus has done or not done? So people are just like, I can't believe you let this person walk away. And other people are like, well, if the Taurus doesn't want this person, I do. I can be a better person. I can be a better lover. I won't do the things that the Taurus has done. So there's a lot of that going on. And so this puts this person honestly in a more positive light than you during these 2 weeks, because people see or side with the love interest. People side more with the person that you're interested in, because it seems like people are now awakened to the fact that you were just telling lies just so that you can keep another situation moving forward, or so that you could deny this connection and your feelings. So there's a lot of temptation surrounding this person, and I'm not saying that this person is going to take these temptations, but I do see it around them. Okay. So this person is no longer stuck on this connection with you if it's not going to be moving. This person needs more peace in their life overall, and have created boundaries between you and them, Taurus, and letting you know that they don't want anything from you that you can't live up to. If you're not going to live up to what you say you're going to do, it's like a situation where you've been telling this person over and over and over what you're going to do, 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 but you've never done it, you've never done it, you've never done it, you've never done it. Or you've been wanting and wanting and wanting and wanting this person, and this person's tired and tired and tired and tired of waiting. So it's a situation where your actions have created the reaction that you have, or the results. So in this kind of thing or scenario, this person is just like, if you say you're going to do it, you have to do it. Okay. If you want to show how you feel, show how you feel. It's plain and simple. This person's like 1 + 1 = 2. Like, that's how they see things. There's no gray areas in the entire situation. No matter what you're going through, no matter what they've gone through, it's clear as day, and it's either left or right. Either you're going to do it or don't. And how do you see this person? So Taurus, again, this could be a Taurus male. I pick up that this is a person who you see as a queen in your eyes. A queen. A queen, something ethereal, something fairy tale, like straight out of a Disney princess movie. It's something similar to that. It really is something similar to that. Something very high. It seems like this person owns their own kingdom. And this person has a very beautiful and etheric way of living, and you absolutely adore who this person is, and you're so amazed by this person's essence and the glow that they have within them. Basically, this is a queen of the throne in your eyes. So this person is above like everything and everyone and that kind of thing. That's how you see them. You put this person on a pedestal, and this person is able to destroy an old order of things and give rise to a new order of things under their rules and under what they say. So this person has rulership over everything from the stars in heaven on down to being the mother of all people, of everything. And so you see this person as being able to purify your emotions and assist you and help you rid yourself of poisons from the past, whether it's emotional poisons, mental poisons, or actual physical poisons. It could be things that you've put into your body physically. This person can help you rid yourself of this, making you clean. It's their energy that's doing this. It could be the poisons of your mind, how you've told yourself time after time negative things. This person is helping you clear your mind. And this person is doing this through the lessons that they're teaching you and through their power, their gifts. So this is someone who is like an Aphrodite archetype. Like this person's like a morning star. The morning star is the sun, right? So this person is like a child of the sun, a sun child, right? The child of Ra, right? So this is how you see this person. This is someone who has the power of immense love and hope available to them during times of transformation. This person holds the golden star. You may even refer to this person as a 5-star lady, 5-star woman, a queen, right? So what a star symbolizes is a soul from heaven. That's what a star is about. I don't care what people try to make it seem like it is. It's about a soul of the heavens, right? Someone that is a part of the overall heavenly order of God. Okay, this person is really blessed. This person is seen as a symbol of feminine anatomy. It's something about this person's body that you're really, really into. And it's this person's everything inside of them. Their whole anatomy is they are the pinnacle of a woman. They are the ultimate woman. They are every woman. I'm every woman. It's all in me. This is every woman. So you feel like you must go to the intuitive core of this person's mind in order to create a new life for you. Like this person telepathically helps you change your life. This person telepathically helps you understand a lot of things about life. So this person is someone who you see will always rise again. Like they can never really fail in your eyes. They have great potential. They have visions of hope. This is a person who has a rich love, plentiful love. They are cleansing, and they also cleanse your soul. They cleanse your aura. It's a person that it's like, how could you ever deny this person? It's like that. How could you ever deny this person if they are so connected to everything around you? They're so connected to everything around you. The number 5 is very, very, very significant here when it comes to either this person or yourself, Taurus, the number 5. So this person, and how do they see you? This person sees you as being highly sensitive at this time. They see you opening yourself up to a new level of awareness and spiritual connection with them. They see that you look at the connection in a totally different way than you did before. They understand that you are an unusual type of person and you are otherworldly, Taurus. So you carry some type of celestial information that is interesting, and that you're weird and that's how they see you, as a weird person, and you're always talking about weird stuff that they don't connect with. However, they're still connected because of who they are. But that's all, that's things that they let you, they let you do your thing. That's you. But that's how they see you, as like this quirky, weird, and unusual type of person who sees things in a very colorful and artistic way. But they like this and they admire this about you, because what you do is you're able to mix this in. And if you're an artist, then you're able to mix this in with your art and create something so exquisite using your intuition, your music, your art, and advance the evolutionary process for everyone involved. So you're able to create magic in your own way because of the way you think, and how you, just going off of how you see this person, means that your imagination is really out there, even though you may go a little far sometimes, which they hate. But at the same time, you have an idea of what's going on. And so what this person needs you to do at this time is to do your soul work, so that you can understand the big mission of what is going on. And they're trying to pull you in so that you can graduate from where you've been stuck at on your journey, and you can fully develop what it is that God wants you to develop, and who God wants you to become. Because sometimes you get a little detached from the actual spiritual side of things, and this person needs you to stay spiritual. They need you to stay with God. Sometimes you go off and you run away, and no, we need you to be here because I need you to show up, because I need you. So that's what's going on here. This person knows that you have a rare gift, Taurus, and they know that you have a healing vibration about you, and that you can heal as well. You have special gifts to give to the world through your love and your light, and you are very, very intelligent. That's something that they see in you and want you to know as well. So this person is like, listen, I'm ready to be fully seen. I want people to know that you're my person. I'm tired of this. This person is tired of this, Taurus. So it's like, I want to be seen as your wife or your girlfriend or your love interest. I want to be in your life now. Your family, they're going to have to suck it up. Your friends, they can get your, okay, like, Taurus, hello, right? This person's like, listen, I'm no longer a secret. It's either going to be this or it's not going to be anything at all. And that's how they're coming. So Taurus, I don't understand what you're going to do. But what I do know is that I want to go deeper, and hopefully this comes out. Get the extended. Thank you. God bless.